Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car review, and in today's video we will be checking out the 2024 Honda Civic Type R, and this is from the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture from the Boulevard series. And as you can see, this is the Honda Civic Type R, which is extremely hard to find nowadays because many people are trying to get their hands on it because basically Hot Wheels, once Hot Wheels has made it, basically many people are trying to get their hands on it, mainly scalpers of course. Number 105 Honda Civic Type R, very nice card art as always, right there. So there are 5 cars in this set, but I only bought the Civic with not a bad of a price, but it's quite expensive as well. Not your regular car culture price anyways. So there in the set there's the Plymouth Savoy, SVT Lightning Ford, Porsche 964 I think, Ford Thunderbird, Pro Stop, and also the Civic. And yeah, this is one of the cars that is hard to get in this set, and let's go ahead and open this up. This is not the older Civic, this is basically the newer Civic. There it is, the Honda Civic FL5. Here's the Honda Civic FL5, and as you can see, it is two-toned, obviously, because yeah, you have the yellow at the back and then blue on the front. Overall, it's just wonderful to look at. The color, the combo of the car is very nice. Just that I just want to highlight that this is not a stock FL5. They could have at least say at the card Honda Civic Type R Custom or something. Like at first glance you already can tell this is already a custom because it's not your regular Civic body. The spoiler wouldn't be too tall, the body kit wouldn't be like this. Like you can see that there are side skirts which are slightly different, front splitter which is also slightly different, and also the back. Just look at the back, it's already quite different as you can tell. And the thing about this is well, it's Hot Wheels, you cannot really do much. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. So since it's car culture, you can expect a lot of detail on this one. So where's my tweezers? Oh, here. So here's the Honda Civic FL5. As you can tell, you have 5-spoke blacked out rims right here, which are nice, colored in black with the rubber tires at included obviously. It says something in Japanese, I don't really know what does that mean. It says Spoon Sports right here, quite big on both doors as you can tell. Number 95, I don't know what does that mean. 1995, I'm not entirely sure. That's the racing number. What does that say? Go Tuning, I think that's what it says. Not sure if I'm reading it correctly or not, but I think it's Go Tuning. Oh yeah, so from here towards the back it's colored in metallic yellow. From here towards the front it's colored in this sort of dark and light blue, I guess. I don't know, it's like mixture of 2 tones of blue as you can tell. Moving down to the front of the Civic, so you do have the detailed headlights right here, which are not transparent nor lensed headlights or anything. Nope, they're just I guess printed or painted, I'm not entirely sure. So you do have the Civic logo right there. You have some grille detail here and here as well, black trims here and there, and also the extended front splitter which I was talking about early on. It does say Yokohama right here. I don't know if you can see it on the under the headlights. And then you have Spoon Sports on the hood, you have this print. Is it printed? This hood scoop right here, colored in black. Now this is where I told you about the two-tone. You can see that this is dark blue, this is slightly light blue, so two tones of different blues, which is nice. Very cool. Here is the side. Overall very cool. Pretty much the same thing. But yeah, I actually forgot to mention you do have side mirrors included, which somehow they're colored in yellow and they're not colored in silver or anything. It looks a bit weird and odd. It's colored in silver, I mean yellow. I don't know why, but I guess that'll do. Oh yeah, I actually forgot to show the hood. I mean the windshield. So regular windshield tint, blacked out interior. You do have the windshield banner right here, colored in blue, and it says Spoon Sports. Is there anything on the roof? Nope, nothing on the roof, no details or anything. Moving towards the back, so you do have a plain blacked out spoiler, which is plastic or rubber? I think it's rubber spoiler. Yeah, it is a rubber spoiler, so yeah, obviously it's a rubber spoiler. Very nice. Rear lights right there, which are nice, very detailed as well. Don't know what does that say? Oh, www.spoonusa.com, which is interesting, beneath the brake lights right there. Spoon Sports as the license plate, Yokohama sponsor right there. And then you have the rear diffusers right here, and also the twin exhaust tips, which are detailed in silver, I think. Yeah. So moving down to the base, blacked out metal base. Honda Civic Type R, 2023 metal, and where is this made in? Made in Thailand. So yeah, made in Thailand. Before I forget, I actually have it right here. I don't know if you can see it from the screen. It's off screen actually. I put it up there. I have the older spoon, which is from Modern Classics, what, 2 or 3? Modern Classics 4. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So here we have the, is this EG? Yeah, EG. I think EG9. If I'm not mistaken. Now it would be great if you have the EG9 together with you. Sadly, if you ask me personally, the color tone's quite off between the EG9 and the FL5. The paint tone for the blue and yellow are pretty off. It's as if they didn't went through what color this would be and what color this would be, and basically mixed up the paint tones for both of them somehow. But both of them have the same number 95 on the side, Spoon Sports logos as well. The back, yeah, obviously this is old, this is new. And oh yeah, I thought they had the same set of rims. Sadly no. You know what, let me just show you on the turntable and you will understand what I meant by the color tones are quite different. So what you're seeing right here, this is the EG9 if I'm not mistaken. Then on over here it is the FL5 that I've just reviewed. And looking at it side by side, safe to say they look pretty odd in terms of the color, of course. Paint job wise, they look pretty significant and very great if you ask me. The number 95 on both of them resemble a great relation between both of these two. And the sad part is the color is just really off. I thought it would be like somewhat a similar yellow tone, but it's not. Even the blue is a different tone of blue. So would I recommend you like putting both side by side together? I don't think so. unless if the Civic EG9 had a more thicker tone of blue and yellow, then it would be great both side by side. And I thought at first both of them would look great together side by side or anything, but no, they're not really the same tone of yellow, sorry. But yeah, even though they're not the same, I still love this Civic no matter what, this FL5, and if you ask me personally, I really do love it no matter what. It's a great touch, it's very nice. It's quite hard to find anyways, but yeah, I believe at some point there will be more colors of this car in the future. But yeah, I guess that's all for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.